Now this tutorial is on how you're going to enroll learners in the PCDMIS. So make sure that you are in this URL 124.83.73.183 slash online dash class slash login slash. Okay, so this is for the learners login portal. So we're gonna make use of this in enrolling our learners. So click here this sign up below, and then you'll be needing the information for your learners. But before that, you have to click agree on the privacy policy. If you will not click this one, you cannot proceed, so you need to click that one. Then after that, you'll be needing the reference number of your learner. Okay, this is just for tutorial purposes. I'm just gonna have reference learner of one of our learners. Okay, so let's input the LRN. Okay, and then you need to put the first name, the middle name, and of course the last name. Then select the school, and then of course the gender, and then you have to create your password. So it would be easier for the pupils to know their password. You just have to type in, just a suggestion, you just have to type in the password just like your section. Okay, then confirm it, and then click create account. Oh yes, you need to have that grade level there, and then create account. There you go, you have just enrolled one learner. Wait for a while, and then you need to click this one again to enroll another learner. Same method, you need to have the LRN, and then the first name, and of course the last name. Okay, there you have it. Then select again the school, and then of course the grade level you're going to enroll the kid, and then of course the gender, and of course your password. Okay, that's it. So congratulations, you have just enrolled your learners.